This video will show you how to use the R function prop.test for testing population proportion. And this is actually the R documentation for this prop.test function. And this is how you use it. You have a prop.test parenthesis x, n, and p. N is a sample size. X is the count, right, of the number of subject in the category of interest, whether you wish to test or estimate the proportion. P will be actually the test value for the proportion. And then you will specify the alternative hypothesis, whether it's a two-sided, left-sided, or right-sided. And the confidence level, if you don't write it, the default is a 95% level. You can change that. And the correct equal to true, that means you want to do continuation correction. If you don't want to do it, just type false, then you won't have the continuation correction. Okay, let's see how we use it. You can run this either in the R command script window or in the R console. So I open the R. In R console, I type prop.test parenthesis. Let's say out of sample 100, 15 of them have diabetes. Then I want to test whether the proportion of people who have diabetes is different for 10% or not. 10% is 0.1, so that's where you specify the test value, the proportion under null hypothesis. Then you specify the alternative that equal to C, parenthesis, double quote. If you want to do two-sided test, then just type two-sided, close parenthesis. And then if you don't want the continuation correction, you type false. Okay, so that's it. If you click return, then you get the test result. This is for testing whether the proportion is different from 10% or not. Now you have a sample of 100 out of sample 115 of them have diabetes, so you have actually 15%. And that value is statistically significant different from 10% or not. Well, you got a p-value of 0.09557, so the p-value is not less than 0.05. So that difference is not statistically significant. Okay. Now, if you wish to test whether the proportion is significantly greater than 10% or not, then you will do a right-sided test. You're going to change this two-sided to greater than two-sided, greater, all right, to specify greater than, and then hit enter. This gives you the one-sided test, right, testing whether the proportion is greater than 10% or not.